how to run Python code automatically on Raspberry Pi 4. So cron tab space hyphen E and then just hit enter. Cron tab space hyphen E, hit enter, and this will open cron tab file like this way. Come at the end of the file, and here we are going to run the command, or simply we can say we are going to mention our command. So @reboot space @reboot space and then Python 3, because here I just want to run the code with the help of Python 3. So Python 3 is the command. So @reboot space Python 3 and then mention the full path of your Python code where you save your Python code, or you can say the file which you want to run at first boot. So @reboot space Python 3 and then mention the full path of your Python code. So mine is /home/py, then my app folder, and inside that folder I have app1.py. this is the file which I want to run automatically every day. So @reboot space Python 3 space /home/py my app1.py is the code. Then press Ctrl+X Y and hit enter. It will save our cron tab. As you can see, cron tab installing new cron tab. Now my app will automatically run every day on Raspberry Pi 4. Thank you.